Roan Mountain. I hope that out of where we.
There's a lot of money up here.
Yeah, Roan Mountain from the flood.
Wait a minute. I gotta get it.
Roan Mountain from the flood. It washed it out. Check that out. They're up there cleaning it up with excavators. Yeah, it made a mess, didn't it?
Oh,
This is
yeah.
3-4 months later. Listen, he's wanting to trade that Honda for me to fix that roof though. Yeah, I'll fix it for the Honda. It needs what did you say it needed? Alternator?
Mm-hmm.
No.
That's all that's wrong with it? No. No, it's them people with these damn, what's them doing? This shit here. Honda. You said it's a Honda. Let's see.
Behind us is the Honda.
Yeah.
That's right. Oh.
I got it.
Okay, yeah, go ahead, I got it. We can kill it now.
I got it on film.
Oh, yeah. Kill it. Kill it out.